continuation of gradient of a straight line. So on the board, we have two examples. The question says, calculate the gradient of the line joining the points. So the first question, we have 2 points, point C and point D. In point C, we have -2, -6. And point D, we have 3 and 2. Now, let's go ahead with the first question. Solution. Now, the first thing you have to take note of is the x1 and the y1. So how do we know our x1, y1, and how do we know our x2, y2? Now, our x1 here is the first value in point C, which is the first point. So in that case, we are going to have x1 as -2. And also, y1 is the first value in the first point, which is what? -6. Moving on to x2. X2, this is the second point. So the first value in the second point is going to be the x2. And the second value in the second point, which is point D, is going to be our y2. So what you are trying to say is that this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we can proceed with the solution. Now, using our formula, the formula is m equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Now, our y2 is 2 minus our y1. Y1 is -6. So if I write -6 like this, it won't be proper. So I'm going to open brackets and put the -6 inside. Then I'm going to have all over x2. What's our x2? 3 minus, because the minus is in the formula, minus x1. What is x1? -2. Now the next thing to do is to have 2 minus times minus plus all over, then 3 minus times minus plus 2. Then we are going to have 8 all over 5. So that's going to be our final answer for the first question. Moving on to the second question. Now, to the second question, we are also going to find the gradient or the slope of the line joining the 2 points. And what are the 2 points? Point A and let this one be point B. Now, in the point A, this is going to be my x1 and this is going to be my y1. This is going to be my x2 in the point B and this is going to be my y2. Now, the x1 is going to be -4, the y1 is going to be 6, the x2 is going to be 3, and the y2 is going to be 0. Now, what is left for us is to substitute the values here. So I'm going to have m equals to 0 minus y1, which is 6, all over x2, which is 3, minus 4. Then I'm going to have 0 minus 6, that is -6 all over 3, minus times minus plus. So 3 plus, this is going to be 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Then I'm going to have -6 all over 7. Now, the sign here at the numerator side is negative, while the sign at the denominator is positive. And don't forget, when we say minus divided by plus, the answer is going to give us minus. So in that case, my final answer will now be -6 all over 7. So that's going to be our final answer. Thanks for watching, guys. In our next class, we will be looking at another subtopic under coordinate geometry. See you in my next video. Thanks.